That's way too long. Make it shorter. Okay, where's our oil at?
Assembly lube.
I already got oil after I put it in there. There must have been oil up there already. Was that pre-lubed up there? Did you forget to put a pushrod cover on?
Oh, got mine.
Did you forget to put an O-ring in?
I have one extra.
Not yet.
Oh.
Just asking. Making sure.
What's the deal on these gaskets? Why does that one have that? That's evolution, that's not or something, or what?
Breather or non-breather heads.
Oh, okay.
You got breather heads and non-breather
heads, I see. The non-breather heads.
It's bottom breather, top breather. 92 had both.
92 did? That's when they made the switch?
They had both.
Hmm.
They only used the bottom, but they had the top. Only year.
Must have some spare parts left over, huh?
Well, they're going to make a design change, but they didn't do it. But everything's there already, they just had to hook it up. The air cleaner was the only difference. They just didn't have the air cleaner they wanted to use, I guess. Where's the darn thing at? Okay, we're doing what, 25 flats?
6.
1,
2. Ooh, they go back a little bit?
Yes, it did.
3.
3.
4.
5.
Getting tight?
Just like the other, I got tight at 5.
6. That's the first time we've had these push rods in that cylinder, right? On those ones, yeah, that's why it's a little bit different on the thread count.
These lifters have oil in them. These other two are pretty dry, so. Yeah, kind of moves.
It'll get loosened up a little bit.
Oh, it's got a wobble in it. We have to throw it away. Laugh when people say that.
They all have a wobble.
Most of the time, they do. Sometimes more than others. All right, let's turn the motor over and see if it blows up. Ready?
Yep.
Contact.
Good to me.
Crank her over. Put some mag in it.
Okay, the front one's open, exhaust open. Are you just trying to get some oil into them or what?
No, the camera's not looking at anything I'm doing. What are you over here for?
So I can watch what you're doing.
Rock arms are over there.
I know, but what are you doing over here?
I'm making sure the rock arms turn over and don't go bang, bang, bang.
Oh, on the pistonies and stuff?
Did you hear anything hit? No boom, bang, ting?
Not yet. How many times you went around? At least twice?
Oh, about 4 or 5 times. I'm going the forward direction. I'm pumping oil over here. All right, appears to be good. The rubber still seems to be in the hole where it belongs.
Yep, you got the other two right there. You gonna do that yourself tonight?
Keep this up, we might even get a motor together.
Keep me out of the way,
Yeah,
so you get it done in a hurry.
You like how I turn that around backwards so it would work good?
You're testing me.
Looks good in there.
The little square one.
Good thing you didn't lose that foot peg, we would have that lost.
No gasket cinch.
No. I hide it from you, I saw that.
Which way does that go? Square side over here,
Just
right?
like I got it. Just like I got it.
I'm glad we didn't have to take those rocker boxes off again,
Why?
especially on the back head.
No, it's easy.
Well, no, I know how to do it now, but I don't have them little pliers. I can
That one doesn't want to go
I
on.
have to
for
borrow
some reason.
yours.
That one don't like to go on and over there.
You keep an eye on it.
You stretch this gasket.
You're laying flat now. Well, it was hanging on that foot pegging like a really crunched up position when I got here today.
You stretched that gasket, didn't you? Now that
Who turned the light off?
looks pretty flat now, doesn't it?
Yes. But we still have to get it centered up and
I centered it right there. Didn't you watch me center? I just moved it.
yeah, I saw it, but the bolts aren't in there yet.
I don't care about the bolts. I got the rock cover centered.
Yeah. Looks good to me. It's all even on this side.
You like it?
Yeah.
We got the hole goes right in there where it was because I centered it. You like it?
The magic touch.
Look at that. It went in the hole again. It's almost like it was under straight and everything. Just have to come around from the other side like this.
Yep.
And I gotta do Joe's job too.
Doing a good job.
I gotta do Joe's job because
We want to get it done tonight, not tomorrow. That's why I'm not doing any nuts and
look at
bolts.
the angle of my wrist is that. Like that?
I can help you with that if you want me to.
Look at the angle I got on that thing.
And his thumb and forefinger still work.
See, I don't need Joe. I can do it all by myself. Look at a bug crawling up my arm.
We all know we don't need Joe over here.
Look at your bug. Look at that guy.
The one that was in my eye a little while ago?
Look at that bug. Look at that little sucker right there.
Oh, he was the one in my ear. He was in my ear, wasn't
Look at him flying over there.
it? Kill him. Get rid of him. Probably a tick or something.
I don't know. You didn't film it, so I can't tell you.
Oh, that's right. Look at my own eyes on
You filmed it, and we
Dumb
got
shit.
identification of what
it.
it
Dumb
was.
shit.
But you didn't film it, so
Who's a dumbass tonight?
we don't know what it was.
I was looking at it with my own eyes.
I know you do that.
I've
told
been
you
getting
look.
better at it,
I
though.
told you look, and you just didn't look. So
I was looking with my eyes.
I can't wait no longer. I have to work to do.
Could have put him in that white box. We could check him out again.
I killed
Too
it.
late. It's over with.
I crushed that.
Too late.
It's gone. Missed opportunity.
Yep. Amateur photographer.
That too. This works a lot easier if you're on the other side.
It works if you're over on the other side? Yeah. That's why I was doing it yesterday. But we want to get it done tonight, so.
Okay, like that.
The bottom one was already done, right? Valve clearance and all that? Yep.
Yep.
We don't even need that special tool on this side, on the front. I mean, the wafer thin.
Special
No, the
tool?
other one. The wafer thin one you had to make.
I don't know that special tool. I got this special tool.
What goes next? The motor mount?
You got a motor mount?
That one goes between the two cylinders and the rubber. I don't know about the bottom one. We got to put that in too, right?
Yeah, you get the motor one in there, yeah.
I mean the two bolts we took out of the.
At some point, we need to put the motor mount back in the bike where it belongs.
That one there.
At some point.
Okay. Not yet though.
That's proper torque right there.
If you're doing it, it is.
If this thing knocks and makes a lot of noise, whose fault is it?
It's going to do it no matter what. We already know it's going to do it.
That's right. Lifters are dry.
Drive
With my pusher adjustment tool that.
flat blade.
There it is right there. That's the one I need right there. Pop. 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 Something was binding.
We all know what it was.
I don't know what it was.
Two large diameter push rod tubes. They might
No,
be-
it slid over all of a sudden. Everything was freed up. So
Oh.
it was hitting on something. I don't know what the hell it was. Cause see now
All
it's
appear to
got
be in,
clearance.
yeah.
It's clearance. I
Mhm.
don't know what it was on. Something was binding up there. There's no
little
parts here.
little chingies that go in there.
Oh, there they are. Chingasas.
Yep. Do you ever feel like you should grab the bike when it starts tilting like that?
What tilted?
I'll show you right now.
Was it tilted?
No, I didn't do it that time.
Did it fall over?
No, but it started to go that way, and then
It almost fell over?
I know the lift is on it now. I mean the hoist.
What's the worst thing that could happen?
Mess up my paint job.
See, that's not really important.
That is important.
Not really.
Kind of money these things go for. There's one there right now with dents in it for $1,250 for a fender and a tank, and a front and rear fender and a tank.
Oh, it's
I
stupid.
go, you gotta be kidding me.
Okay, so those are all twisted, so the O-rings are unstressed. We're good to go. All right. Motor's loose.
Yeah, it's good.
Why
It's
is the motor
loose?
loose?
Oh, because the bolts are not
I
in it.
feel it moving.
No bolts in the bottom of it.
Oh, is that the problem?
Mm-hmm. I don't know
Well,
how
what
we
are
get
we
that
gonna
back
do
in
about
shape. Well, we got two bolts in the box. You gonna jack it up? Socket, what is, I don't know where the socket went for that. half-inch drive.
Yeah, wood over there.
2x4? Oh, this one.
Yeah, I think that 2x4 right there.
The special piece.
This is a special 2x4.
It's a nice one.
She's got one here, one there.
Yeah,
and
4x4 in the
4x4.
middle.
That's
Offset a little bit.
It's one of each. This cable's in the way.
Frame's in the way.
There, fits in there quick. That's in my way now. Like that.
So far, I dig out some nuts and bolts for the front.
Looking for my ratchet.
Half-inch drive.
Nope, one goes on there.
I thought it was half-inch drive. Not together, there it is.
Did you find out?
Haven't seen it for quite a while. We haven't been using that lift.
Ah,
Yeah. Oh, it should be. That's another permanent tool, huh?
Yep, some alone.
Holes lined up.
It's up in the air now.
Loose. Good. Maybe
Quit moving.
wiggle them in
You
there.
could hit something.
It's high enough then.
Oh, geez, it broke it.
What was that? A wrist pin? Oh, that's out of the motor mount? No, it can't be.
Broke it.
It fell out of there?
And they just got stress relief.
Oh man.
There's the parts that go in there.
I didn't know anything else fell out. Like a bolt for it or what? We never took it out? I guess we did take it out. I didn't know. I didn't know we took it out. I know we took the other. Oh, I was here when we took the motor mount, the two other ones out.
There's a nut that was on the bottom.
Large lock nut or what?
I don't know. I'm trying to figure out what bolts we had over here.
Remember the one you said you torqued it down
I'm
like,
guessing this one.
like crazy?
We only have one of these, so I'm guessing this is the one that goes on here.
Okay.
That's how I do this, I guess.
Now the other ones.
So we
Look
got
at the
these.
fat washers. Should only be one on there.
I don't know.
I think there's two on it right now. Lined up pretty good.
Geez, almost like it was made to go in there.
Yep.
This over here I can see a lot better.
Another wash, two more washers right there. Two more fatty washers.
What, these ones?
Mm-hmm.
What are they for?
Underneath those nut bolts.
I got that.
Really?
Radiate nut.
Locking nut or regular?
Locking nut.
I thought they were regular nuts.
There we go. They might have been originally, but I changed them.
No fat washers, huh?
You know why I changed them?
Why you did?
Yep.
No, I wasn't here when you did the motor
I
mount.
torqued the snot out of them.
I remember you telling me. I thought you told us.
Stupid lock washer is not the way to put a bolt down.
Mm-hmm.
So that bolt holds the frame together.
Which bolt does?
Yeah.
This one, this one. The motor mount.
Up on top.
Oh, yeah, this one up on top with the
This bolt doesn't rotate over here.
chingus in it. It doesn't rotate.
Nope.
So you let off the jack a little bit.
Nope.
No.
I have to rotate my finger and I got something sharp. Oh, there's someone's zip tie over here.
Oh no. Oh
Look, there's
no.
zip tie sticking
Who gave us a
straight up
lesson
there.
on that the other day?
I don't know, but it's sticking straight up a 1/4 inch right
Turn it
where
down, turn it
right
down.
my finger is.
Somebody told us about that online the other day.
It's
About
laying right
cutting,
in my knuckle,
cutting
right
those
in
zip
there.
ties off.
Yeah, it's right here. I don't wait in.
It's an old one. Before I went to Tatro's school.
School of Hard Knocks. Where's your motor mount?
Right here. Right there in front.
This thing?
Yes, sir.
Where's your carbonator?
Carburetor's right in front of that.
Should put the carbonator on first.
Okay. The
Carbonator.
VOS thing also.
That thing. Alright, we'll be back.